In a previous video, we did an unboxing and then also a teardown of the EG4 280 amp hour floor standing battery. So today we're going to actually do the capacity test on it and see how it tests out. So hopefully it tests at least 280 amp hours. I would love to see around 290, but let's see what it does. All right, so the capacity test is completed on the EG4 280 amp hour floor standing battery. Let's see how it did. So there we go. 290 amp hours. So the battery is rated at 280 and it put out 290. So that was definitely a successful test. So this concludes. This is the third video on this. So I did the unboxing video, I did a teardown, and now the capacity test. So next thing I'm going to do is add this to the rest of my batteries and increase the capacity. Thanks again for watching Mike's Garage.